finish in the middle. And I've been working on this cabinet for some time now, but one of my New Year's resolutions was that I was going to try to do more videos on my page. So if you want to watch them, you watch them. If not, not. But I just thought I would like to show people different things too. So I decided, because on the top here up in the glass, I did gilding on the cutouts. So I just thought I needed a little bit to anchor the piece. You can see this right here. Let me pull that up. See that right there? That's, I did that earlier, so you'd see what that looks like. And I'm gonna put some dark wax over top of it and sand a little too, so it's not like that big thing that's gonna stand out. Okay, so but I thought I would come on here and show you all how I do it, which is very, very easy. I've already put the size. I use gilding size. Sometimes I use our gator hide, and that's all right too, but 9 times out of 10 I use gilding size. So I've got that on, because you put that on and you need to let that tack up a little bit. It's very similar to the Dixie Belle Shine. So, but this is, and then here is my here's my gilding sheets. They come in a tablet like that. They fall out. And you'll watch on the internet, lots of people use little tools and they're so gentle and stuff. Well, first of all, this is not gold. It's, it's just some whatever random thing they make up. And this is not a cathedral piece that has to be meticulous. I want this grungy, grubby, used looking. So I'm just going to pick up with my hand. But one thing too, you want to be careful, very delicate. I'm surprised I haven't even ripped this one yet. And all you're going to do is just take it, and where you put your, see, little piece stuck on my finger. And I try to save those pieces too. I just take a little brush then and brush it down. And I'm not worried about having completely smooth. I want some ridges and wrinkles in these, because that's how I did the top. So I definitely want them to coordinate. So that went down pretty good. Most of the time it's in bits and pieces. So all right, and then all I'm going to do is work all the way around the little leg. Now see, this one isn't going to come up as good as the other one was, but I'm just going to go ahead. I'm trying not to block. It's sort of, here, let me see if I can turn that just a little. I'm just going to go ahead and tap that on there. And the nice thing too about doing this is, oh shoot, it just flew off the top of my head. Can you believe it? So much for trying to talk and work at the same time, huh? Crazy, crazy, crazy. But this is just a neat little different thing you can do to your piece. That's, you could get this anywhere. This happens to be a specific brand. This is Amy Howard at home, and I don't know, you've probably seen me post, because I've got a lacquer fetish and I just love lacquered things. So I do use her paint from time to time on little things that I'm working on. So I'm just gonna, that's basically all you have to do, is just put this on and let it dry. And I'm usually impatient and don't let it get all the way dry. But see, I didn't have any sticky stuff up there, so all that's gonna wear off. It's not just, it's gonna go right where you put it. So it's just another little thing you can do to bump up your furniture. That's very, I don't think it's that expensive. You know, you can go on the junk sites. Oop, I'm getting it in my tea. And order it that's not real gold, you know, and it's affordable. It's affordable. So I just thought that would be another thing. I see that piece there. I can't, there. Thing that I would show you that I was doing to this cupboard. I'm going to be done here pretty soon. I still have to find a basket for the shelf. So that's probably the only other thing that's going to hold me up, and I'm sure I'll just be messing around with it. Tweaking little things from now to then. And another thing too that's nice with this, see how if you just take your little sponge and you can get right in there and it basically wipes off because you didn't put any adhesive, but sometimes it just likes to stick to stuff. It's static or something because it's so thin. But then you can just go ahead and clean it up with your sponge or a piece of sandpaper, and no harm, no foul. I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Okay. So let me pull this up so you can see how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. I see. I don't see this side until I pull the camera up to look at it. So that's that. I'm going to do a little more cleaning up here, and then I'm going to do, like I said, I'm probably going to sand it a little and darken it up with some wax because I don't want it to be really sticking out and bold. So I feel sure I'm just going to do that one part of the leg. I had thought about maybe coming down here too, but I didn't want to do anything at the top, and I thought, well, gosh, if I come and do this one, then it's going to not be balanced out. So I'm just going to hold what I got with this one right here and antique it up and make it look in keeping with this piece. So that's what I have today. I thought that would be really fun, and hopefully I'll find a basket and I can get this show on the road. So, all right, till the next time, bye.